Hello everyone. This is going to be a quick share video. Now this is my project number one. It's a little over mid week. I want to at least try to do 5 to 10 projects per week. So I'm a little behind, so maybe the next 4, maybe it will only be 5 this week. So maybe the next 4 would be maybe some die cutting. So this one here, I just recently purchased because it was on sale for $8 and some change. So I did get 2 of these, and it's for mom shape card kits. Sorry for the shaking. And this is with diamond press, and this is a good kit. Only thing, a plus with these kits are, everything you need. You can add some things if you like. But majority everything you need is included with this kit, and it has 3 different shapes of cards. 3? Yes, it has the purse, the cup, and the flowers. So I'm going to give you some ideas of what everything looks like. So it does give you some samples, which is cute. So you can follow the samples or you could do your own thing. So this kit, again, it's so much fun. So I'm going to finish up the second one and get these ready for sale. So let me show some of the supplies that did. It comes with bling bling. Some of these are lifted. I might use some of the flat ones for this project, only the flat ones. The other ones I can save. I do have more bling. I have so much bling. So I'm gonna use some of the flat blings that I have in my stash for this project. But just the only thing I didn't add yet, and the sentiments inside. You get your envelopes, and of course the shape card bases comes with this kit. These are my leftovers that I had once I finished the cards, so I can use these again. I can finish using those. Same with these pieces from the kit that I didn't use completely, and same with here, so I can use those on other projects. Now this one here, I do love that diamond press use the bigger. Now I think with this one they should have had the smaller foam dots, but again, I did have the smaller foam dots in my stash, so I did use it. So I'm gonna keep these for the ones that I need the larger circle dots for. It comes with your little rub-ons, which I'm going to use with something else, maybe for some tags. So I'm not going to use it on this project. Now I did add these little miniature tissue papers for my flowers. And this is cute because this came with my little Michael's $10 grab boxes. So this was nice. So if you got the little tissue papers, you can just cut them up and use them to decorate your little flowers with. Okay, let me share everything I created. Okay, let me just change my plates. And I love these plates. These are the plates. I think these are 14 by 10 that I ordered from Amazon. And these are craft plates. I did list the description on my recent haul video, collective haul video. All right, so let me share. So only thing I have to do is maybe add the sentiments and add some bling if I want to. So here's the first one. Oh, and I did add, which I don't have handy here. I did use 2 dies, and this one here is the Anna Griffin pocket. And I did use another pocket, and I think that one might be from Divinity Design. So only thing I have to do is add a sentiment, either congrats, or thank you, or happy birthday right here. So if they want to write anything in, a message, they can do it right here. So these were super cute and so fast to create. Here's another one. And again, they all have pockets and nothing inside yet. So here's another one. I'm going to go through my sticker books and pull out, my simple sentiments for congrats stamp. Congrats, thank you, and happy birthday, because they fit nicely right here. So here's my other one. And I think it comes 6, if I'm correct. 6 each shape. And I love these designs. I might make more of these. I do have a die in the same shape. So I might make some more for tags and for some more other things too. This is cute. And look, this one's adorable. And I like the little pockets. So I could pull out my dies, especially if I have another small box die. I can make pockets. So I'm gonna pull out that die. I did make some notebooks with that XL die that I used. Look at this, this is so cute. And my last purse. These are so cute. Sorry for the glare. Okay, now let me go straight into the little flowers. Now this is similar to my other ones. And I thought about using the little tissue corners, the little tissue squares, I guess. When I was doing this project, you can see it a little bit here. So these are so cute. So again, I used the foam dots on these. And here's the first one. This is so cute. And these are all similar. See the little tissue that I added on. Here's another one. There's the tissue again. So I'm gonna try to pull out my white tissue. I know I have tissue. This is cute. It's got to add a sentiment. So I think all these will be thank you. I don't know. I'll figure it out. I see how big the sentiments are because, you know, it's not too much room for these to add. Then they can keep the space for their little message. This one's cute. Again, the tissue paper. So I'm gonna add the tissue paper onto the other ones that I have from LDRS Create. So when I make some more, I'm gonna use tissue paper next time. So again, I was just playing around with that die during that time. So now I know just to add some tissue paper to it. Okay, so the majority of these were blank, but these came out so cute. And again, you can add as much dimension as you want, but I want to make sure everything fits into the card nicely. And I'm also gonna add some bling bling. All right, here's my last one. And these were super cute too. Very quick to create. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let me try to, hopefully my glue didn't keep it. Okay, nope, it's good. Oh yeah, here is the other pocket from Divinity Design. So you can add some money in here. Of course, it's a smaller pocket because of the shape of the card, but you can fold up the dollar bill and put it right in there. So that's cute. And that's the sentiments from Diamond Press. I just made a copy of them because I love the sentiments. And I didn't have enough for all the cards. I'm gonna put a little bling bling here. But overall, this is cute. And here's the pocket. It's got, open it up a little bit and put the bone folder tool just to open it up a little bit. Here's another one. And these are so cute. Again, I'm gonna put a little flat bling bling there. And these are actually the flowers from here. Like I said, I want to keep the layering kind of low. And I just layered it up here. Put a little flat bling there. Last couple. Okay. Oh shoot. Guess I'll be putting a little bling bling or something there. I'll figure it out. Here's another one. And then I could also, if I want to, pull out those sticker books and decorate them too. Like the coffee, the little coffee stickers and the mug stickers and the spoons and stuff. I can always add that here too, which is cute. So I can do that here and put a little bling bling there. And even going through those little sticker books, I can add little flowers in here with the sentiment. And then I can also, with the purses, I know I have a sticker book with, you know, makeup and perfume and different female accessories. I can put them right in here too also. All right, guys, and this is it. So this is my first project of the week. So I have to catch up. So hopefully between today and tomorrow I can catch up. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Stay safe and stay blessed. Bye-bye.